I've been a Windows user for most of my life, but I recently made the switch to Mac. And one thing I've been so used to is typing CLS to clear the terminal on my Windows machines. But believe it or not, having to type 2 extra letters on Mac significantly slowed me down. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I solved that problem and made CLS work on Mac too. And it's really simple, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's open the terminal first, and I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see better. And then type in nano tilde slash dot zshrc so we can open the nano editor. And then do Control V, I believe, to scroll down to the next page, and next page. So we're at the last page. And then you just need to add one line, which is alias CLS equal clear. So clear is the default command to clear the terminal on Mac, but you know, I'm lazy. I don't want to type the whole thing. So let's Control O to write the output and then hit enter. Now this has been written into the file, and then we'll exit by doing Control X and then just close your terminal, and then we'll open it again so it can reload. And now let's just try something, right? Let's see. And cd into my personal whatever, right? And then we can just do CLS, and boom, it's cleared.